Basic English for parking. Learn easy English questions and answers. Where is the parking lot? The parking lot is behind the building. Can I park here? No, this space is reserved. Is there a free parking space? Yes, there is one near the entrance. How much does parking cost? It costs $5 for an hour. Where should I park my car? You can park in the first row. Is parking free on weekends? Yes, parking is free on weekends. Can I leave my car here overnight? No, you can't leave your car overnight. Are there any parking spots for handicapped people? Yes, there are spots near the main entrance. How long can I park here? You can park for up to 2 hours. Is there a parking lot near the airport? Yes, there is one just across the street. Do I need a ticket to park? Yes, you need to take a ticket when you enter. Where is the nearest parking garage? It's on the corner of Main Street. Can I park my motorcycle here? Yes, there are motorcycle spots. Is parking free after 6 p.m.? Yes, it is free after 6 p.m. How do I pay for parking? You can pay at the machine or by app. Are there any parking restrictions? Yes, no parking is allowed on holidays. Can I park my truck here? No, trucks are not allowed in this parking lot. Is it safe to park here at night? Yes, the area is well lit and secure. Can I park in front of the store? No, that area is for loading only. Is there a valet service at the parking lot? Yes, valet service is available at the entrance. Do I need to park in a specific spot? No, you can park in any open space. How do I get to the parking lot? Turn left at the traffic light, then it's straight ahead. Can I park near the building entrance? No, those spots are for employees only. Are parking tickets available? Yes, you can get a ticket at the entrance. How do I know if the parking lot is full? There's a sign that shows the availability. Can I park here for free? Only for the first 30 minutes. Is there a time limit for parking? Yes, the time limit is 3 hours. Can I park in the handicapped spots? Only if you have a handicapped permit. Are there electric car charging stations? Yes, there are 2 charging stations. Can I park on the street instead? Yes, but make sure not to block driveways. Is parking allowed on both sides of the street? No, Bakery English Conversation Practice Easy A2 Questions and Answers. Do you bake the bread here every day? Yes, we bake fresh bread here every morning. Which cake do you recommend? I recommend the chocolate cake. Is this bread made with butter or oil? It is made with butter. How long does this cake stay fresh? It stays fresh for 2 days. Can you slice the bread for me, please? Yes, I can slice it for you. Do you have anything without sugar? Yes, we have sugar-free cookies. What time do you open the bakery? We open at 8 in the morning. Is this cake suitable for children? Yes, children usually like it. Can I order a birthday cake for tomorrow? Yes, you can order it today. How big is the medium cake? It is enough for 6 people. Do you prefer bread or cake, Emma? I usually prefer cake. Is this croissant filled with chocolate? Yes, it has chocolate inside. Can I try a small piece first? Yes, you can try a small piece. Which pastry is the most popular here? The croissant is the most popular. Do you sell whole wheat bread? Yes, we sell whole wheat bread. Is this bakery family owned? Yes, the family runs this bakery. How many pieces are in one box, John? There are 6 pieces in one box. Do you make cakes for special events? Yes, we make cakes for special events. Is this cake homemade? Yes, it is homemade. Can I place the order by phone? Yes, you can order by phone. Do you want the cake with cream, Sarah? Yes, I want it with cream. How much does this pastry cost? It costs $4. Do you need the cake today or tomorrow? I need it tomorrow. Is this bread good for breakfast? Yes, it is perfect for breakfast. Can I get this cake without nuts? Yes, we can make it without nuts. What ingredients are in this cake? It has flour, eggs, sugar, and butter. Do you offer takeaway service? Yes, all items are available for takeaway. Is the bakery usually busy in the morning? Yes, it is very busy in the morning. Can you write my name on the cake, David? Yes, I can write your name. Do you want a receipt with your order? Yes, please give me the receipt.